Okay. Hello, my name is Jake here, and I want to show you my toolbox that I got for my birthday yesterday. And here it is right here. I'll show you. Put more light on it. Ah! No! Alright, sorry. Alright, so here's what I got. Get on it. Is alright, so I got my gloves. Of course, gloves. These are Black & Decker gloves. These are my favorite one right here. The yellow ones, gray. Like three pairs of gloves. I got a hammer. And there we go. And this is a charger for my drill. And then in this drawer right here is, let me show this way actually. Yep. I got some screwdrivers. Also got some brand new ones. Like some brand new ones. And then this is just the bits, like some bits for a drill or driver. And then this is, of course, this. And this is a DeWalt bit set that I use. Open it up. And we get it done. Sorry, the little camera's a little funky, but see, here it is. You got bits, got extension over there, got all kinds of bits. Kinds of bits there. And then in this drawer you got pliers, which I'm going to get more pliers to fill this up here. Oh, where I can do it. Okay. This is just empty. I'm not sure what to do for here. And then down here I got more screwdrivers that don't fit up here. I got earmuffs. I don't know what to put in here, but if you have a comment below, please subscribe to my channel, which is Jake's Cool YouTube, and on my Instagram is Jake Solar. And there's my toolbox. Ugh. And then this is the name of it, so it's Harsh Pharma. So if you want to sponsor me, Harsh Pharma, please do.